Do you want to boost your um, intelligence? Come closer and listen me carefully. Today in this video I will reveal the secrets of uh, enhancing your intelligence, the habits which can enhance your intelligence. So uh, there are many, but in this video I will reveal just few of them. 1. Read the newspaper daily, online or offline. 2. Watch educational videos. 3. Apply the knowledge what you already learned. 4. Write down the to-do list daily. Make it your habit. 5. Start a stop doing list. 6. Write down what you have learned by reading a book or listening a lecture or taking a course. 7. Stimulate your mind. 8. Take online courses, lectures. 9. Talk to someone who are very knowledgeable, are very funny, are very skillful. 10. Try to come up with daily with new at least 20 ideas. 12. Always try to share what you have learned with others. 13. Play chess or smart games. 14. Explore new areas of your life. 15. Hang out with kind of people who are smarter than you. 16. Try to have some time in your daily routine. Find out the garbage which are settled down in your mind. Try to garbage out. 17. Exercise and have a healthy diet. 18. Try to use social media in very limited way. 19. Journaling regularly. 20. Positive affirmations. So I reveal the secret in this video how you become more intelligent in your life. Applying these habits in your life, it is a chance to avail the success easier and abundantly in your life. So start today so that as soon as possible your life can be revolutionized from normal to outstanding life. Less intelligence to words abundant intelligence. Thank you.